Hello guys, hope you all are well. So today I haven't anything because of I'm not practicing my English and I'm a little bit busy about my work. You know, because of I have some responsibility and I don't say like this is responsibility, but I have my own responsibility. If I'm not capable to take action for myself, so maybe people doesn't respect me. They think, oh, that girl is not worthy, and maybe they think that girl don't wanna do anything. She just only wanna enjoy her life. But you know, I wanna do lots of things. I have lots of dreams about myself. I wanna fly like kite. Just but I need some you know means I really need someone like he and she support me before time. you know I just always think about obstacles, and that is the bad thing for me, and that time really I'm not capable to deny. And because of today is a women's day, so that's why I want to share this all thing. I want to say to this thing, I want to share this thing to girls. Never ever give up, okay, and never ever put down yourself. Sometimes it's happened, like people wanna put down you, your parents, relatives, they all wanna. They just think, oh, she is not capable to do anything, but you are. Like we are capable to do whatever we want. Just we need support, and just we need to take action for ourselves. Okay, like your parents is not supporting you, and your relatives is not supporting you, but there is only one person, you. You are only capable to support yourself, because in this world people always comes for a very short term time. They come, they make relationship, you become them friends, there is a lots of relationship, okay. And parents, they love us, but what we want in this Indian modern era, so their girls haven't that type of freedom like what we are want to do in a core of our hearts. But I just want to say to them, that type of girl, they have some obstacles, problems, and them family is not supporting, and like they also think I'm not worthy. So sometimes we are more than more capable, but we just don't know. And sometimes that type of situation and problem comes to you, like you understand your worth, you understand your power. We just have to take little bit you know time, have patience, and first we need to find our passion, like, oh, I'm good in this field, I want to do this. And I know in this modern era, if we are in a middle class family, so we face a lot of issue and problems about money. I know, but money is not any kind of boundary. If we think, I have also lots of problem, I have also money problem, but if I think about my this problem, so just I'm not capable to do whatever I want. Just like I wanna do, I wanna talk people. I always feel very good when I motivate them. Like when I talk them and they feel so energetic, enthusiastic, I feel very good. So I think this is my passion. I'm very good while talking and while understanding others people's feeling, and just like my creativity. So I want to work about that. Yeah, I have some problem, but anyhow and somehow, like just I want to find one way to earn some money, and after that I want to follow my passion, my dream. This is this is only one and best thing we have. Girls. Girls have really lots of power and energy. Just what we only don't know about this. We are not aware about our power. Like, girls is, if we saw in this, like in that instant instant ago, like we call Kali, Durga. And in this modern era, if we today is a women's day, so I want to share like Rani Durgavati, and there is so many ladies. They fight with people to freedom, to others. So just I want to tell this thing, why we are not seeing them. We have to take motivation and just we have to work on ourselves. I know बताने में बहुत आसान होता है, बट करने में उतना ही मुश्किल होता है. बिकॉज आई एम फेसिंग दिस प्रॉब्लम. आई नो अबाउट दिस ऑल थिंग वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छे से पता है मुझे. ओके, बट जस्ट आई वांट टेल वन थिंग. अगर हमें पता है कि हमारे पास ये सारे ऑब्स्टिकल्स एंड प्रॉब्लम्स है, सो व्हाट. हम अगर एक जगह रुक जाएंगे ना, तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. ओके, जस्ट वी ओनली, शायद हम सोचते ही रह जाएंगे. बट इफ वी वॉन्ट टू डू एनी थिंग, सो वी हैव टू टेक एक्शन. वी हैव टू डू समथिंग. कहते हैं अगर आप कुछ चाहो तो जर्रा जर्रा आपको उससे मिलाने की कोशिश, साजिश रचता है. लाइक इफ you want to do anything, so whole universe conspire you. I don't know it is true and not, but my heart said always, to me, like, yeah Varsha, it is true if you follow your heart, so success follow you. So just I wanna say this thing today. Okay, and sorry, really I'm very sorry for this, because I'm not making video nowadays. I'm busy. Hope you all are understand my feelings, whatever I want to say. So please, if you like my videos, so share, comment and subscribe my channel. And if you have any questions, so please ask me. I wanna give you answer if I have. So bye bye friends, we will meet next video.